349 foot 1 inch for Eric Rippinger out of Afton, Iowa. My bad, I'm sorry.
Pretty good pull.
Pretty